Intambara M23 ihanganyemo na Congo, itangazamakuru ni bimwe mu biri kuyirwana cyane uyu munsi. Uretse kandi n'abavuga ko urugamba rwagenze, hari n'ababashinzwe gukwirakwiza amakuru babwiwe na guverinoma ya Congo kugira ngo igaragare neza ku ruhando mpuzamahanga. Ikiri kuvugwa cyane ni inzandiko zagiye ku mugaragaro zigaragaza amasezerano y'inyishyu zakoreshejwe mu guhuza Congo n'ibinyamakuru bikomeye kugira ngo inkuru z'uko urugamba rumeze zijye zisa nk'iziburijwemo burundu. Guverinoma ya Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Congo yishyuye ibitangazamakuru 13 birimo ibiri ku rwego mpuzamahanga 7 nka TV5 Monde, Aljazeera, Reuters, Ijwi rya Amerika n'ibindi by'imbere mu gihugu kugira ngo bijye byerekana uko urugamba rwifashe, bityo bifashe mu gukwirakwiza ibinyoma ku mutwe wa M23. Kuva mu mpera za 2021 intambara ya FARDC na M23 yubura ibitangazamakuru byo muri RDC na mpuzamahanga byasaga n'ibitagira aho bibogamiye, bitabariza abaturage bababaye kubera imirwano gusa. Uyu mutwe rero wa M23 wo ukagira ubuhanga bwo gutanga amakuru mu buryo bw'umwuga ku buryo impamvu yatumye wubura imirwano yumvikanaga neza cyane. Mu ntangiriro umutwe wa M23 wigaruriye ibice byinshi byo muri Kivu y'Amajyaruguru. Leta ya Congo ishya ubwoba ndetse yemeza kujya mu biganiro n'imitwe yose yitwaje intwaro ibarizwa mu burasirazuba bw'iki gihugu. Muri 2022 hatangiye ibiganiro bya Nairobi byari bigamije gushakira akarere amahoro. Umutwe wa M23 wo wasabwaga kuva mu bice byose wari warafashe kugira ngo ibiganiro bigende neza. Mu Gushyingo 2022 ingabo z'umuryango wa Afurika y'Iburasirazuba zageze muri Congo zishyikirizwa uduce twose M23 yari yarigaruriye. Nyamara byasaga nk'amayeri ya Perezida Tshisekedi yo kwigizayo uyu mutwe adakemuye ikibazo cyawo. Leta ya Congo yo yateguye ibiganiro birimo imitwe bafatanyije uru rugamba. Umutwe wa M23 bafitanye ikibazo wo wimwe umwanya icyo gihe, wimwe umwanya ku meza y'ibiganiro. Intambara yongeye kurota ityo, ndetse mu Kuboza 2023 ingabo za EAC zanze kurwanya M23 zita zirukanwa mu burasirazuba bwa Congo zisimbuzwa iza SADC. Si SADC gusa, haje ahubwo n'abacancuro, abarundi ndetse n'ihuriro ry'abarwanyi ba Wazalendo. Mu gihe Congo yashyiraga igitutu ku ngabo za EAC ngo zirwanye M23, yanatangiye umugambi wo kwishyura ibitangazamakuru bitandukanye ngo bifashe guhindura ibitekerezo by'abaturage n'umuryango mpuzamahanga ku bibera mu karere. Ibaruwa yo kuwa 12 Ukwakira 2023 uwari umuvugizi wa FARDC muri Kivu y'Amajyaruguru, Lieutenant Colonel Njike Kayiko, yandikiye ibitangazamakuru 13 birimo 7 mpuzamahanga abisaba kujya mu bice byigaruriwe n'ingabo za FARDC bikohereza abanyamakuru b'intoranywa bagakorana ibiganiro n'abatutsi bahari kandi bakabanza kumvishwa ko bavuga nabi umutwe wa M23. Muri iyi baruwa bigaragara ko leta ya Congo itashakaga ibiganiro hagati ya M23 kandi n'uwo mugambi yakomeje. Lieutenant Colonel Kayiko yagize ati: "Intego yacu ni uguhindura imitekerereze y'abaturage mu gihugu n'umuryango mpuzamahanga ku bikorwa bya gisirikare bikomeje mu gace mushinzwe gutarama amakuru ndetse no kubyoherereza inzira kuva bitangiye kugeza bigeze ku ntego nyamukuru. Ibitangazamakuru mpuzamahanga byohererejwe iyi baruwa hariho n'amazina y'abazajya muri urwo rugendo. Nibi bikurikira: hari harimo TV5 Monde, France24, Associated Press, Ijwi rya Amerika, Aljazeera, Reuters, Republic.net na Washington Post. Naho iby'imbere mu gihugu ni RCTCT, Tazama RDC, ikorera kuri interinete ni Mishapi Voice TV, RTNC na B1. Izi nyandiko zigaragaza ko mu gihe cyo kujya muri urwo rugendo hakoreshejwe imodoka zo mu bwoko bwa Jeep za gisirikare. Abarugiyemo barindwaga buri munsi ndetse buri wese akagenerwa amadolari 1,050 ya buri munsi. Ntibyatinze kuko ibi bitangazamakuru byahise bifata umurongo wo gukwirakwiza ibinyoma bya Congo, byinjira mu murongo wo kwita M23 w'Abanyarwanda, nyamara u Rwanda rwarahakanye inshuro nyinshi ko nta basirikare rufite muri iki gihugu, rukanabitangira ibimenyetso. Indi ntego ya Congo yari ugutera u Rwanda, nyamara uyu mugambi bitangazamakuru mpuzamahanga ntibijya biwugarukaho. Mu mpera za Mutarama 2025 kandi umutwe wa M23 umaze gufata Goma, muri ibi bitangazamakuru hacicikanaga inkuru z'uko nta buzima bugihari muri Goma, ibintu byose byacitse, nyamara abaturage baho bari mu byishimo by'uko ababahohoteraga babambura utwabo babirukanye. Ubwo abacancuro b'Abanyaburayi bahabwaga inzira ngo basubire iwabo, ibitangazamakuru mpuzamahanga byishyuwe byabaye nk'ibitaramenye ayo makuru, ndetse kugeza n'ubu ntacyo byigeze bitangaza. Byakomeje gufatanya na Perezida Tshisekedi gusabira u Rwanda ibihano, nyamara abakuru b'ibihugu bya Afurika bategetse ko habaho ibiganiro birimo impande zose zishyamiranye, kuko intambara cyangwa ibihano bitageza ku mahoro arambye mu karere. Nyuma y'ibi, mu kiganiro Perezida w'u Rwanda Paul Kagame yagiranye n'umushoramari muri Dubai ndetse akaba n'umwe mu bakomeye cyane ku rubuga rwa X yitwa Mario Naufal, yasobanuye iby'uko kwiyerurutsa kwa Congo. Gusa iki kiganiro nk'uko nakubwiye ko uwagishakaga ari umwe mu bakomeye cyane mu bakoresha urubuga rwa X, nacyo cyagize abantu benshi bagikurikirana. Mbaza ngo byari bimeze bite? Uyu mwumva ni Perezida Kagame wari utangiye.
It was just an open place. They drew a line, left Rwanda on this side, and the other side it was called Congo. But this line divided the families. You can talk about others who migrated and went to Congo from Rwanda or whatever it is, but there are those who are indigenous to that place. These are the ones who are fighting, whom the government is uprooting and saying, you go back to Rwanda.
You're talking about the M23 now?
Yeah. And we have, by the 130,000 people, refugees.
From Congo in Rwanda?
Yeah. They've been living here for the last 23 years.
And Congo doesn't want them back?
It doesn't even want those who are there, who never came here.
There was a leader in Rwanda who's very corrupt, supported by the US during Soviet Cold War era, and the US withdrew support.
That was Mobutu.
And then Kabila is the one that you supported, Francis Kabila, that took over power. And then Francis Kabila and you guys, your relationship broke down for whatever reason. And then there was multiple wars where Rwanda was involved. And then he was shot by his bodyguard. His son Joseph Kabila took over. Then there was an election, and we have today's leader. Congo, I feel, is like, it's not even a country anymore. It's just, as heartbreaking it is, it's just a land full of minerals that so many different people have their hands into that pot. You have a threat on your border. That threat still houses the FDLR, the same people that committed the genocide 30 years ago. They're still there on your border. Their goal is to replace you as president, replace the entire government right now, and to still get rid of Tutsis in Rwanda. So that's still their objective. And they're doing the same thing for Tutsis in Congo. Then there's the other argument of minerals. So the way I see it is there's all these different hands, some corrupt, some good, some bad, some of them committing horrendous crimes to get access to the minerals in Congo, because it's such a wealthy country. And there's no real way of doing business with Congo. You don't think the current government is doing the best job. They operate in a country that everyone wants it to be unstable, because that's how they get access to the minerals. And your end goal is for Congo to be stable, even more prosperous than you if that's possible, and to do business with Congo a peaceful way. But you're not able to reach a path to that.
If you look at the list of 100 entities, China, Europe, US, Canada, and so on, including all of us in the region, who are interested in minerals in the Congo. Rwanda would come as 100, it would come at the bottom. But the situation is such that it has been made to look like the ones least concerned with the minerals have been the ones accused for the entire problem of these 100 who get billions and billions and leave nothing behind. So Rwanda has come to be the ones to absorb it. And the people who have the power of the media, of everything, and for them, they're also benefiting from the bad politics. Our problem is not minerals. It has nothing to do with minerals. Ours is about security. And once we are not assured of our security, we can't be thinking about minerals in that situation. No, that would be the last thing on our minds. The second problem that combines with that, because of that history we said of the people, the Congolese of Rwandese origin, carved out by the border, the governments in Kinshasa all the time use this pretext. One, first of all, they say they want to get rid of these people. This FDLR, those who committed genocide, went to Congo 30 years ago. They work with politics and politicians. They cause them problems, but they want to cause them problems and eventually cause problems to Rwanda. Now, these are things we have discussed with everyone, whichever government that has come into Congo.
So that includes Kabila, the one that you've helped get into power, and his son.
And even Tshisekedi and Felix.
What does Felix say? Like, I know publicly he calls you Hitler and he says all these crazy things.
I think his genocide ideology, like.
Do you think so? He's that extreme?
I think so. He is.
Have you spoken to him privately often?
I've spoken to him like 100 times before these problems.
Was there any common ground? Like,
yeah, we discussed even when he became president. By the way, I don't mind how he became president. He was not elected both times. The first time he was handed over power by the Joseph. Yes, there's no question about it. The second, he just declared himself, and that was everybody's to shut up, and that's what happened. So, but that's not my problem. The UN has been there now for about 24 years, has been in Congo. They have had about 17 to 18,000 peacekeepers, so-called, in that place from different countries. If you can calculate the amount of money spent over that period of 24 years, it's close to 40 billion. Now, the question number one is, what did they actually come to do? To keep peace? Which peace is there? To bring peace? Which peace have they brought? To solve the problem concerning Rwanda of security of these Eritreans that have lived there for the last 30 years? Nothing.
So why are they there?
The only thing they did relating to this, they have over time repatriated some FDLR and their families.
Back to Rwanda?
Back to Rwanda. It's on record, it's recorded. The rest, I don't know.
Ibi rero byose byabereye mu kiganiro uyu munyamakuru Marion Alfar yagiranye na Perezida w'u Rwanda Paul Kagame. Gusa amagambo yagiye yandikwa cyane asa nkaho ariyo yari summary y'iki kiganiro. Ni nkaho Perezida Kagame yavuze ko igihe cyose u Rwanda ruba rudafite umutekano rutakwirirwa rutekereza iby'amabuye y'agaciro. Ikindi ni nkaho no munyamakuru yibukije Perezida Kagame ko Tshisekedi amwita Hitler, nyamara we akamubwira ko ibyo nta kibazo bimuteye ko n'ubundi abisanganywe. Reka iki kiganiro cy'uno munsi tugisoreza aha. Nje nitwa Regis, ndabashimiye cyane.